Good morning. My goal is to get back to doing more of these weekly check-in videos. So today is Thursday, so I already made it through the whole week, but I figured I would check in. I know, and show you guys what I'm doing. So this morning, I've got a couple of packages from Nordstrom Rack. So, take two. I love a couple things about end of season sales. Mostly, they're great. If you're not buying like couture, who really cares what the season is, right? The other good thing for me about end of season sales is we live in Michigan, so it is still 30 degrees. So all this winter stuff that's on sale is not stuff I immediately have to put in my closet until next year. It's stuff that I can wear for another month. So that's really exciting too. So I'll show you guys what I got and hope that the kids don't go nuts down here. I got a couple pair of boots. These are by Charles David. I ordered this stuff a while ago, and so I don't remember. Oh, I remember now. These are great. These are soft, they're fuzzy. Okay, I got one other pair of boots, which is exciting. And I actually like wearing boots in the fall and the spring because in Michigan we have a lot of snow, and so my cute boots, I don't actually want to wear them in the winter because they're going to get gross. So the fall and the spring is better because there's not snow. These are by Soul Society. Yeah, I remember. Tan suede tall boots, which I like. I basically have these in a leather pair, but I thought the suede pair was really cute and something different. And I also find that when you find a style of shoe that you really like, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and get a second pair. Today I am headed to Bronzed Beauty to get a spray tan. I am excited. I've been feeling like spring and summer, but my skin still says winter. So I am ready for a little refresh. Even though I am not going on vacation, I can still feel like I was on one. Come with me and I will share my experience with you. We're here and I'm gonna go in and check into my appointment. Okay, I'm here with Rose. So tell me a little bit about your company and how long you've been giving spray tans.
For sure. So my name is Rose. I'm a spray tan artist. My company's name is Bronzed Beauty, and I've been spraying for a little over 2 years now. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's the best job in the world.
We were talking a little bit about how spray tans have changed just with people used to think it was only for your wedding or your prom. But I'm getting a spray tan because winter is finally over, and I just feel like spring and summer, but my skin looks like winter still. It's like a refresh.
Yes, yeah. So I think back in the day, sadly, people were going in beds during this time. They were maybe trying to take a quick trip, get a tan, but now we have spray tans, thank God. So you don't have to ruin your skin like that. So I think it's becoming a lot more popular for women to start getting spray tans on the regular and not just for special occasions. They just make you feel 10 times better when you have a full body, flawless tan. Yes. You just look a lot more contoured, your skin looks more perfect, you just feel a lot better, which is always the goal. I think that's why we get all of our services done. So
yes.
So yeah.
Today I'm going for golden, Khloe Kardashian, golden, not
J-Lo glow.
Yeah, golden sheen of you've been in the sun, maybe you had a weekend away, and you just got a little sun kiss. So that's what I'm going for, just to get off the winter.
I got you.
Okay, so let's get started,
let's do it.
And you guys can see a little bit of how it goes. All done. So tell me what I'm supposed to do now that we're finished.
Till tomorrow morning, you don't want to get any water on yourself, so no washing your hands, no sweating, anything like that. You're literally just letting this kind of develop underneath this bronzer layer. You don't want to interrupt that at all. And then you rinse in the morning, just water, no soap at all. You're gonna have this tan on you for the next, for you it's probably around 2 weeks. Everyone's skin is different. Around 1 to 2 weeks, you're gonna have this stained on your skin, eventually fades away, or you have to scrub it a little bit, but for the next couple weeks, you will be beautifully tan.
Yay! Well, thank you so much. It was
so
good to
welcome.
see you, and
Nice
I
to
hope
see
to be
you
back
too.
a lot more this summer.
Oh, you definitely will be.
Good morning. This is day 2 of my spray tan. I didn't rinse off last night, so I am about to get in the shower, no soap, just rinse my body and get all of the extra tan off, and it's looking really nice. I love it. It looks like I had a little weekend getaway, which is exactly what I wanted. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and rinse off. I'm all rinsed off, and I wanted to talk about 2 things that I do to make sure that my spray tan lives as long as possible. That is exfoliating and showering before my spray tan. And then after I rinse off the next day, I moisturize. So moisturizing is the second key to extending the life of your spray tan. I use this Body Truth Shea Butter Eczema Recovery Body Butter for my whole family, and it's super moisturizing. So this is what I'm going to put on. Today is day 2 of my, is today day 2? Day 3. We are moving our way through the weekend. It's day 3 of my spray tan. I got it on Friday afternoon. It is Sunday afternoon, and I'm loving it. I put on some makeup, I did my hair. I am attending a virtual baby shower today, and everything is still virtual. I can't wait until things are in person. At least here, once it starts warming up, I know we'll be able to have some things outside, so that will be really nice. For now, I'm just going to enjoy my new spring glow and pretend like I went somewhere fun. Even though I've just been here working, I feel really good. I've been making sure to stay super moisturized, putting my shea butter blend on, and also not scrubbing super hard in the shower, trying to make my tan extend as long as possible. If you're in the Detroit area, definitely check out Bronzed Beauty. I love Rose, she's amazing, and she will definitely take good care of you. I'm assuming gone are the days of going to the spray tan machine. We all know the horror stories of those as far as terrible color, and you have to be amazing and like able to turn and do all the things. It's really nice having a human being do it because they can tell you exactly what to do and how to stand and make sure they get everywhere, which is great. Not that I'm putting on a bathing suit anytime soon, but if I was, I would feel super confident that my spray tan looks super even and natural. And I went to the gym this morning, and it was so nice going to the gym and looking in the mirror and not feeling like winter pale. That was a lot of fun too. It definitely makes you feel a few pounds lighter by doing nothing. Okay, it's time for me to go get some lunch and get ready for the baby shower. Yay! Oh, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. Hang out with me, see what I'm up to. It's going to be a super fun spring and summer. You don't want to miss a minute of it. Subscribe!